Grated beetroot salad. Do first the dressing. On a bowl, mix together sunflower oil, cider vinegar, four spring onions finely chopped, a parsley, and freshly ground black pepper. After mixing the dressing, put it aside. We need a uncooked and peeled beetroot. Grate the beetroot and put on a bowl. Chop 4 sticks of celery, chopped it finely. Pour a fresh apple juice on beetroot and celery and mix them well. After mixing all the ingredients, refrigerate for 2 hours before serving.